Good afternoon to all of you. In previous class we had already studied about some other advantage of irrigation, and from this today we have to discuss about the factors controlling the irrigation. ऐसे कौन से कारक हैं जो सिंचाई पर नियंत्रण रखता है? तो irrigation और water requirements of crop plants depends on the following two factors. ये दो कारकों पर निर्भर करता है. एक तो नेचर ऑफ द क्रॉप प्लांट्स, फसल होता कैसा है, मतलब कैसा फसल है. दूसरा यह है कि वो जिस फसल को जिस मिट्टी पर लगाया गया है उसका क्या प्रकार है. तो इरिगेशन ऑफ क्रॉप प्लांट्स डिपेंड ऑन टू फैक्टर्स. Depends on two factors. First, nature of crop plants. And second, the soil on which the nature of soil of the crop of the fields. Soil of the crop fields. That is crop-based irrigation. Some crop plants require more water. As paddy, wood, etc. requires more water, so that irrigation should be plenty, adequate in these plants. Okay. Whereas wheat, gram and cotton requires less water. At the time of flowering and at the time of development of the grain. This is the mode, this is the factors. Now soil based irrigation. मिट्टी पर आधारित सिंचाई. Some crops are grown in sandy soil. some crops are grown in clay soil. Sandy soil swags water very rapidly. बलुई मिट्टी पानी को जल्दी सोख लेता है बिकॉज सैंडी सॉइल इज हाईली पोरस. So that maximum amount of water is required to irrigate these crops. Sir, please. Done. Now, due to poor water retaining capacity of the sandy soil, the crop cultivated sandy soil need more frequent irrigation. In contrast, clay soil is much less permeable. On the other hand, soil is less permeable. That is, once this crop is irrigated, then little water will be solved. By the soil, so that there is no need of planting, no need of watering the plants in maximum. Now, what are the different irrigation systems in our country? Let's we have a discuss and let's we have a look. Different irrigation system in our country. As we know that our country is blessed with large amount of water and land resources. Large land and water resources. In this circumstance, there are various systems of irrigation has been developed. Some of these are canal system, tanks, wells, river lift system, river valley system, drip and sprinkler system. Children, you must have to understand that these are some historical, you can say, agricultural science has given different descriptions based knowledge. So as I am thinking, there is no need of describing about more details about there is no chemical equations, there is no general formula, etc. On this behalf, we have discussed about what is canal system, and you will have seen in your day-to-day in your areas that the bigger canals, channels, and there are so many different channels has been divvied out, so that the main canal is distributed from rivers. This is usually elaborate and extensive irrigation system. So let's we have a look on different description about the canal system. This is the main made irrigation system. In this system, canals get the water from main reservoir as from dams or big rivers as etc. And finally, canal is distributed in नेक्स्ट क्लास में बेटा इससे आगे लिखाएंगे। थोड़ा सा आप लोग भी पढ़िए, और फिगर वगैरह तो ऐसे है नहीं इसमें फिगर्स चलेगा कल से। नाइस डे लिख कर के